Starting a catfish business might look easy on the surface. Dig a pond, stock some juveniles, feed them, and wait for profit, right? But it's totally wrong. Many new farmers jump into this business with little or no guidance at all, only to encounter problems like high mortality, poor growth, water management issues, and financial loss. The truth is that catfish farming is a science and a business. And like any business, it requires knowledge, planning, and the right support. That is why getting an expert consultation before you begin is not optional. It is essential. A consultant will help you choose the right pond, type, and location. They would help stock healthy juveniles. They would help you plan an efficient feeding and water management system. They would help you avoid common disease and mistakes that kills profit. They would also help you understand your market and calculate realistic profit expectation. So whether you are starting small or investing big, a single mistake, can cost you thousands and millions of naira. But the right advice at the beginning can save you money. It can save you time, and it can save you unnecessary stress. So don't get your way through into catfish farming business. Get it right from day one. If you are serious about succeeding in this business in catfish farming, always ensure you consult a professional in this business before starting out. Your fish and your pocket will thank you later. So that will be that for today. Today's consultation was success.
Anybody can stock up 10,000 juveniles or 10,000 fingerlings, but not everybody can feed 10,000 juveniles or fingerlings. Before stocking your fish, the first question you should ask yourself is, do you have enough space to culture those 10,000 pieces of fish? Catfish are very cheaper to buy when they are small, but the main problem is feeding. Can you feed 10,000 fish to even melon size or to table size? That is the question you should ask yourself. Do you have what it takes to even house 1,000 fish? Do you have what it takes to house 2,000 fish? Don't go ahead and buy 10,000 fingerlings and 10,000 juveniles and you only have just 2 ponds or 3 ponds. You will end up selling those fish once they are 1 month old or once they are 2 months old. So ask yourself this question: do you have what it takes to house the numbers of catfish you are about stocking in your pond before going ahead to pay for those sets of fish? Avoid these 4 types of people as a new catfish farmer. Number 1, those that will promise you overnight riches from catfish farming. The truth is that catfish farming is profitable, but it takes time, strategy, and patience to be successful in this business. Number 2, those set of people that give random tips, based on guesswork, not their own experience. Always avoid them. Always follow advice backed by real farm results, you understand, not just hearsay. Please avoid them. Number 3, those people that talk more about what can go wrong than what can go right. Please avoid them. Avoid those who will kill your drive with fear and doubt. Please always avoid those that talk more about what can go wrong than what can go right. Number 4, which is the last one, always avoid those that assume what worked for one farm would work everywhere, forgetting that pond location and stocking density is different. You understand? Always avoid them. Please get guidance that fits your setup. So always try and avoid those 4 types of people if you are starting out as a new catfish farmer. To remain in this business, you must ensure you don't sell your catfish on credit. When buyers of catfish comes to your farm, try and explain to them that your business operates on cash only basis to ensure sustainability of the business. You understand? Try and explain to them, because if you allow them carry your fish out of your farm without paying, you will be the one at their mercy. And following of these people, when they take your fish to their sales point, they will end up calling you that your fish is this, your fish is that, your fish are dropping, buyer did not buy it, they will start giving you flimsy excuses in order not to pay you. So you must ensure you don't sell your fish on credit. You understand? You are dealing with livestock. It is not a non-perishable goods. You are dealing with livestock, so you need to be very, very careful. Please don't sell your fish on credit. Once your fish are out of your farm, anything that happens to it, you know, you'll be the one to be blamed since they've not paid you. If the person buying the fish from you do not know how to care for fish and the fish end up, you know, dropping from their own end, you'll be the one to be blamed. You understand? So you have to be very careful the way you sell your fish on your farm. Always ensure you don't sell your catfish on credit. Oh, you understand? Make sure you get your money before they take out your fish from your farm to avoid story that touch in future. 10 popular myths about the catfish farming business. You know, things that people believe that is true, but to be sincere, it's totally not true. Number one, catfish farming will make you rich overnight. Catfish farming is profitable, but it requires patience, proper management, and consistency, you understand, to see real profit in this business. Number two, the bigger the pond, the better the business. Success in catfish farming is not about the size of pond, but how well you properly manage your stock. No matter how big your pond is, or no matter how big your fish is, it doesn't matter. What matters most is how well you properly manage your stocking density, your feeding, and the water quality. So it is not the bigger the pond, the better the business. No. Number three, fish grow faster on local feeds alone. It is not true. While some local feed ingredients can supplement nutrition, quality floating feed ensures faster growth for your fish. So fish don't only grow on local feed. Floating feed is very much okay for your catfish. Number four, catfish don't need clean water to survive. While catfish are hardy, dry water can cause disease, slow growth, and increased mortality rates. Good water management is essential for a successful catfish farm. So catfish needs clean water to survive. Number five, you don't need much knowledge to start a catfish farm. That's a very popular myth. You don't need much knowledge. Many farmers failed due to lack of knowledge. Understanding feeding, maintenance, disease control, and market trends is very, very crucial if you want to be successful in this business. So you need knowledge. That's number five, popular myth. You don't need much knowledge to start. You need knowledge. Number six, bigger fish always mean bigger profits. It's not true. Bigger fish always mean bigger profit. No, large fish may not always be in high demand sometimes. Some markets prefer medium-sized fish, catfish between 500 grams, 400 grams, 300 grams, you understand, which sells faster and have a quicker turnover, you understand. So it's not always every time that you have market for bigger fish. So bigger fish does not always mean bigger profit. So that's number six. Number seven, the only way to make money in catfish farming is by selling live. No. No, diversification increases profit. Small catfish, fingerlings production, and even consultancy service, you know, can boost income in your catfish farming business. So the only way to make money in this business is not only by selling live catfish. Number eight, once you stock your fish, they will grow by themselves. They cannot grow by themselves. Catfish need proper feeding, monitoring, and water changes. So don't say because you've stocked your fish automatically they will grow by themselves. No. Number nine, all catfish feeds are the same. Catfish feeds are not the same. Different feeds have their different quality, you understand. Some are cheap, some are costly. So feeds are not the same. Some are big, some are small. You have different sizes of catfish feed. Number 10, which is the last one, catfish don't get sick. Catfish get sick. Catfish get sick. Catfish can suffer from bacteria infections, parasite infections, and poor water condition, you understand. Prevention through good management is key, you understand. So catfish also get sick.